2023 has been a year of learning for me. I have learned to paint my house. I've learned about spackling, using mud and tape and mud, and a few other DIY things. And no, I'm not done painting my living room, but I have learned. I've learned a lot. And I will get back to painting the living room. But for now, I want to reflect on the things not just the learning things, but things that I did that I never thought I would do, never even considered doing. And those things came about on my trip to Mexico. I stayed on the Riviera at the Barcelona Maya Palace. Okay, so take a look. Okay, so those are things that were new to me, like snorkeling. Yes, I want to find places to snorkel. Snorkeling, I want to do that again for sure. I want to go sailing some more. I want to visit other countries, pyramids, or different types of historical things, cultural things, and be out in nature. So the ruins, the Ekbalam ruins, created that desire for me. Climbing the pyramids, dropping down and rappelling down into cenote, and that was awesome. Let's see what else. I did parasail, and I threw up, so it really messed with my stomach. The ride on the boat there was really intense already, and I was getting sick, and by the time they swung us up into the air, wow, it hit. I mean, every now and then when I wasn't feeling green and nauseous, I looked down at the view of the boat, and the view around me was beautiful. It was awesome, and I like heights, but I don't know if I'll go parasailing again. I'll have to take a bit of time. to get over that experience before I try that again. And all of that has led me to what's coming next. So I would love, just love the word, yes, I want to try zip lining. Okay, and there are a lot of different types. I went online to look at different places to go zip lining. There are places where just the basic zip line, yay, I zip lined, it's all great. But I've also seen some that are like a adventure situation where you do zip line, but you walk a distance from one zip line to the next. So it's a combination of zip lining and hiking and enjoying nature, and that would take some me to be in a little bit better shape. So that might be a good thing because it'd be a good goal. But I might start with just a basic zip line. I'll tell you more about that when the time comes. Another thing that I'd like to try, since I enjoyed rappelling down into that cenote sinkhole, I enjoyed rappelling down into that. It was awesome. I think I would like to try, not necessarily rock climbing, but I'd like to try a rock wall climb to see if that's something that I would enjoy. And there are places to go to be trained to do the climb. Now I'm just thinking that maybe I should try the children's section first. I don't know. I see some playgrounds that have the little small climbing area for children. Maybe I should try that first. I don't know. But it seems like it would be fun. So I'm going to try that. The third thing I am going to do is learn how to swim. Yes, I know. I go kayaking, I've gone sailing, I've gone snorkeling, and I can't swim. And you might be thinking, that's crazy. But the thing is, I can float on my back, and I can do the dog paddle. And I used to have nightmares about drowning. But when I got a pool, above ground pool in my backyard, I started getting myself familiar with water, comfortable with being in the water, and then I started doing other things like the kayaking and these other activities that I did over my vacation in Mexico, and those nightmares went away. Okay, so you know what, I think I'm ready. I want to go ahead and learn how to swim, so I can take that adventure a step further, my adventures out on the water a step further. The fourth thing that I plan on doing is kayak camping or yak packing, to where I load everything I need on the kayak and float a river, a lake, or whatever, and camp in between. Like if I go for 2 days, it's one night of camping. But everything, I carry everything on my kayak. Now, I kayaked for the first time back in 2019. I loved it so much I got me a kayak, and I've been getting out there as much as I can. And I've gone camping where I set up my tent and at a campground, and I go out kayaking here and there, with the tent stays there. I want to try yak packing. Hopefully I get to do that on the Buffalo River. I have seen so many videos, so many pictures of that place. It is amazing. And I think it's a place where I can also snorkel, I think. Anyway, and then the fifth thing is to be determined. I'm not sure. I mean, there's so many things that a person can try. My goal is to try 5 things I've never done before. I hope you will go with me on this journey as I continue to experience things I've never done before and enjoy life to the best of my ability. Thanks for watching.